launch and dock your boat. So when you're launching your boat, you want your bow to be into the wind. And on this diagram, this arrow up here is your wind direction. So the wind is coming right down the board. And this is your dock, where you'll be launching and docking from. You want your bow, the front of your boat, to be facing into the wind or close to the wind, so that your boat doesn't start to sail away without you. This position is called irons or safety position. Getting ready to launch, you want to make sure that your dagger board is in and your rudder is down, and also that your sheet line is not tangled and you're ready to go.
So Olivia is going to sheet in and push her bow off really hard so her sail fills, and now she's sailing.
Now we're going to review how to dock. To dock with your boat, you want to make somewhat of a U formation so that your boat pulls up into irons position, so you have no speed. So in this case, we're going to come downwind, and right when our bow is aligned with the dock, we're going to head towards the dock. And right about here, halfway, you want to start to sheet out. This will make you lose speed, and it'll also make your sail luff. So as you're losing speed, you're slowly going to be coming up to the dock. And right before you hit the corner of the dock, which you don't want to do, you're going to turn upwind into irons, and you lose all of your speed, and that's how you dock. But keep in mind, while you're turning into the wind, that is going to cause the boom to come to the center of your boat. You and your crew want to make sure that you duck and stay out of the way.